Today marks 1 year since the deadly shooting at Cafe Racer in Seattle's University District. In addition to 4 victims at the cafe, the gunman killed a woman on First Hill while trying to steal her car.
That victim was Gloria Leonidas, left behind a husband and 2 daughters. King 5's Joe Fryer and photojournalist Scott Jensen show us how an eyewitness to the crime now honors the victims.
Of all the sounds that resonate through a church, the jingles and the creaks, nothing is more distinctive than the melody created by Joanne Stremler's fingers and feet and 5,000 powerful pipes.
I can just be here by myself in my own little world.
It is the sound that comforts her, drowning out the year-old noises that haunt her.
I can relive the day by the minute.
Last May, Joanne was driving by Town Hall on First Hill when those noises filled the air.
I had my window down and all of a sudden I heard someone screaming for help.
It was gruesome.
Everyone can get the number.
She could see Gloria Leonidas lying on the ground with a man standing over her.
I witnessed him shooting her.
Woman shot in possible carjacking in downtown Seattle.
Joanne then watched as the gunman drove away in Gloria's black SUV, but that sound lingered.
The sound of the bullet, of the gun still going, and then all of a sudden it stopped like it had gone out into Puget Sound.
As she ran to the scene,
Don't give up.
it was the sound of Joanne's voice
You're strong.
that told Gloria
I can tell you're strong.
she wasn't alone.
You're going to be fine. They're coming.
Gloria did eventually die, but she did not die alone.
I am not a hero, and I don't want to be called that.
In the year that's followed, post-traumatic stress has gripped Joanne's life. Even the sound of sirens scares her.
I hear sirens coming, and immediately I have to stop working and just calm down and just take a deep breath.
The sound that gives her strength
This is where I get to be creative.
is found here. Joanne serves as principal organist for University Presbyterian Church.
These people cannot be forgotten.
With the shooting anniversary approaching, she felt inspired to dedicate a song to the victims.
The piece has a quiet beginning and then it becomes very loud where it's very powerful.
That power and strength, she says, is a musical reflection of her journey. And when the time came to perform on Sunday morning,
I think it was important.
Good morning.
she knew exactly who should be sitting in the second pew.
This is Tom Leonidas. His wife Gloria was the one that was killed at Town Hall. I'm so sorry.
Shortly after the shooting, the Leonidas family wanted to meet the woman who comforted Gloria in her final minutes.
She didn't die alone, and that's what Joanne was there to do. She wanted to make sure that she didn't die alone.
So they're spending this Sunday morning together.
We pray for Gloria and her family.
Bonded by what Joanne said, and now by what she plays. Not a note in the world can change what happened. But right now, they have no doubt what Gloria would say.
Gloria would want us to live and be successful. She would want the girls to be successful, and that's, I think, where we need to go.
And that is the message they choose to hear.
Thank you, Joanne.
It was beautiful.
In Seattle, Joe Fryer, King 5 News.
Tom Leonidas says he's comforted to know that the shooting prompted so many acts of kindness. And again, just last week, an organization held an awards dinner in his wife's honor.